Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and to those ones who are new here, thank you so much, welcome. And yes, so I'm here in our balcony, so just to make a change and to create a fresher look. Yes, it's summer, but it was just last week that there was a storm here in Germany, but we were not affected. What I would like to share with you is that I am now part of the YesStyle influencer, and yes, and just a few weeks ago, I'm so sorry, yeah, YesStyle, I'm so late with this one, but I was so really happy to receive this sponsored product from them. So this come along with some items that I also purchased from them. So these are sponsored product and from YesStyle. And yes, so help me open this. Yeah, I really want to open this together with you. It's actually arrived 2 weeks after I ordered it or claimed the sponsored product. So I'm very happy to become one of the YesStyle influencers. So I will write down to those who wants to be part of them. It's very simple. All you just need to do is to have a social media account. Of course, I think everybody has it already. And a YouTube channel would really be, YouTube channel would be nicer. Yes, Instagram, whatever you may have. So let's see. Yeah, so I never opened this because I wanted to open this together with you. And so these are a sponsored product and gift products. So this is what I've got from Rovectin. This is actually a toner. I hope so, I'm correct. I believe this is a toner, and I read some reviews and they are really saying this is a very good product and effective. So I'm so excited to try this one. Yes. So wow, the packaging is so cool. Look at that. There's a mirror. It's actually a mirror. The lid, not the lid, the cover. So how they call this one? So this is it. So I think I'm gonna give this a review also after days of using this one. I'm so really excited. I hope it will help my pores on my face. I hope it will loosen the pores on my face. So these are these are the gift products. So cute. Yeah. Super cream, deep moisturizing, lasts for 72 hours. Hulika Good Sera, from Good Sera. Polyphenols and propolis and poly. So yeah, that's it. So I'm all excited to use all of this really. And another one, I'm not sure what's this. Oh, it's also honey and milk extract, nourishing and hydrating. So it's a mask pack. So yay, hey, it's summer and I really need something also to rehydrate me. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much, YesStyle, and all of the gift items from you are really nice, and especially from Rovectin, Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. So thank you so much for this YesStyle Rovectin. So if you guys would like to purchase something from YesStyle, I'm gonna be writing down the discount code below. And I also would like to share with you the items that I got from there. So I have here my nail repairing foam. Yes, I'm running out. The ones that I have from the Philippines, not the same brand, but I was looking for I was looking from their website, YesStyle, and I found this with a very nice review also. So I purchased this, and yeah. And I so need this also because it's summer, and when the sun really hits here, it's really also so hot, and it can really damage your skin. So I have this. This is my first time to try this, and it's SPF 50, so it's whitening. Yeah, I miss something that whitens my skin a little bit, you know. So not really whitens a lot, but I think it brightens my skin. It looks radiant. I hope so. So I think this is a Korean product. Yeah, so I have read reviews of this one also. It's really good. And yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much, YesStyle. Thank you so much Rovectin, and all of the gift items that I received from you. It's really so awesome. It's almost bedtime here, and it's time for a facial wash and toner, of course, from YesStyle and Rovectin product. So let's wash our face. I'm gonna need this. They say to open your pores you need a warm water. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna follow what they say. And now the snail facial foam. It's snail repairing foam cleanser. Oh, I love the scent of this facial foam cleanser. It's actually very mild. Sometimes I like scrubbing my face with my nails, and I think that's not right. Yeah. And now I'm gonna use a cold water to close the pores. Again, that's what they say. I always have a face towel exclusively for my face. So, it's actually not satisfying when you will just wipe it like. Sometimes you really get carried away and anyway. So that feels really clean. Only the feeling. But I think. So let's use now our Rovectin treatment lotion. Okay, Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. Thank you again, Rovectin, YesStyle. I don't know how much you should put, but it's just wet enough. Is my third day of using this, and I like it. really. It's rehydrating my skin, no doubt. So, that's it. So I will use a little of this. It's Wish by YesStyle. Okay, by YesStyle, polyphenols in propolis. So this is like an oil. Feels oily on your skin, but it's not how do you call it? Sticky at all. It's not sticky. It's just right. Wow. I'm just drying it up a little bit. So that's it. Ready for bed. To those who have YouTube channels and social media account. So I think this is really a good idea to become an influencer of YesStyle and try out their items there. I know it's been redundant, but I'm so happy to receive. This are my first from YesStyle, and yes. So if anyone is interested to join the YesStyle influencer program, you can just go to their website or download their app, and there you can see quickly the invitation for YesStyle influencer. And yes, just share this with your friends and try the products and give reviews and also purchase some. Visit their website now or download the app and use my promo code down below to get a discount. So I hope you become one and enjoy the journey. They also have really a lot of varieties of apparels out there, so you will really enjoy browsing their website and having purchases. And so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more future videos coming up. Thank you. Bye.